It's Pekka from Logbullet and welcome to Suonenjoki, Finland. So over here behind is the new home for the Logbullet. Yep, big changes. This company Tehokoneistus, they have been my supplier for turned and machined components for 10 years. So every component, like all of those turned components, came from Tehokoneistus and I have been super happy with them. I did also notice that my major problem with Logbullet is that I cannot manufacture those enough. So manufacturing has been limitation. I did try to hire people, but it didn't go so well. So I decided I have to do something, and this is the something. So I did purchase share from this company. So I'm partner over here at the moment, because I want to make sure that the quality stays good. So when I'm partner, I can affect everything what happens inside. So that is good for Logbullets. I have been so happy when I have been welding bogies and other components, and they weld those nowadays. So one part of my history is now in that way over, that no more Pekka who is doing stuff, but I have to go forward and take things up. Yeah, this is part of the life. And one thing also, because this is medium size mechanical shop. So we have a lot of toys over here. So for example over here, press, because the wood holder for the Logbullet or capping guard, it's a huge, and at the moment I have been like manually bending and then welding those little parts over here. But with this tool I can actually bend those. Yeah, it's nice to have nice toys. We have at the moment we have over here support legs under welding, so that part, and next those will go to that end. So 20 meters for the machining. Before I have to take those like 35 or 40 minutes drive and take those to machining. So in the bigger shop things are easier. So that is the starting point. We have over here, we have material stock, and then we have automatical source. So you don't have to you can stay that for hours alone, and it will just like cut the components happily. And we have over here actually material stock. Funny thing over here is that because I'm a customer and a partner, so I have over here like those blocks over here. Actually those will be my hydraulic blocks. So I will be, when you're going to see Megamax in forest, there will be from those blocks, really those blocks stuff. And next those, they will cut those half and we'll go to machining. We will go next also to machining, but anyway, it's like, yeah. So it's nice to see my components over here. So the components in itself are saw. Next go over here for the turning, and then it will look like this. And actually we have this kind of nice tool for the quality measurements. So this is basic work what we are doing over here. So like, and then those go to happy customer. Okay. I actually usually take like from those nice CNC machines stuff, but in reality sometimes it's just smarter to use manual machines, because over here I have for the frame base and support leg I need to have over here 25mm hole. So it's with that machine it's so much just like more efficient than any automatic machine, because it's just like one drilling style. But these are good machines anyway, because it's not like any small drill. So these are like heavy machines, so the quality comes good with these ones. Yeah, so after, and the nice thing, because those were welded over there, then holes over here, and then back welding over there. So no extra cost for the transportation. So I'm at the moment over here. I have several reasons why I'm here. One reason is that we are going together how to weld bogies. Because that is the best way to get good quality, is that you look together, you make together, so then you will be happy. So that is first tack welded bogie over here in Tehokoneistus. I did learn the word bogie, that I have to pronounce that like that, because I used to pronounce that bogie or something like that, and that is something else. So now it's bogie. And this is perfect component over here because I need 4 per machine, and I usually make set of 6 machines, so 24 bogies, so that is perfect to start with. And also this kind of other components with a lot of welding, so it's about easy 1 week or more welding over here. I think 1 week. Of course the guy is super efficient, he's actually even more efficient than I am in welding, so it might be less, but that is just positive problem. Yeah, so it's welding starts over here. So now first components weld over here. That person was actually week before this, so not last week, that week he was in my workshop in Tuusula welding. So we know each other, and like he also knows the style how I like the components be. So it's, and even it's a bigger shop, there is usually it's anyways person who is welding. I'm little jumping around over here. It's just like I'm actually over here walking. I'm talking with the people because, yeah, just to talk and get to know with people over here in the floor, and at the same time I'm looking everything what is interesting. So over here we have welding, and the nice spot over here is that we actually have then just from this building over here we have shot blasting. So we can shot blast stuff. This is nice. And then we will go to painting booth. Over here in the painting booth. This is huge. I don't actually know. We most likely I will not have all the Logbullets over here because I have powder painting. This is wet painting. But otherwise this is just like nice huge painting area over here. So we can actually make over here big stuff. So it's good shop, good workshop. We have lots of potential over here what we can do. And then actually we have packing over there. 3 doors. You can have 3 semis inside over here. And the nice thing, I love this because of the history of this area. So we have like this like hole in the here, so you can actually maintain semi truck. Yeah, it's huge area this. And of course this is also under these heavy cranes, so we can take stuff and load those over there, and like of those go over there. You can see pallets which are going to customer. It's always good thing, and of course in the winter time or otherwise if you have to do something outside, so then we have this kind of loader over here. That is with scoop at the moment, but we can also have forks. Nice machine. So that kind of workshop is Tehokoneistus. So I did spend today my morning in the floor. Of course we were checking for the weldings, and then I was just discussing with people, looking what kind of components, and like walking around, because if you want to know what is happening in this kind of mechanical workshop, just go in the floors. Don't go to office. Go to shop floor, talk with people. People know what is happening over there, and like what is good, what is bad. Mainly that was just good things, and like of course we need to have more work. So one work is of course that if you purchase Logbullet, so then we will make those over here. I will assemble those anyway. And like I still do some welding. Of course in the future it might be that I come over here and we make also assembly over here. Yeah, but anyway this was good morning for me. See you, bye.